Hey everyone, a very warm welcome to my channel. So you are watching e-learning with Suruchi, and in this video we will discuss the brief essay on COVID-19 and its impact on environment. Since it's a very long time that we have suffered from this particular pandemic and the year come to an end, I don't even know that this pandemic will over or not. Even we all don't know the vaccine is so the scientists are searching for the vaccines, but still it's not sure that when we will come out from this particular pandemic and what are the impacts that it has created or creating in this environment. So today we will discuss about this. Okay, so without wasting the time, let's get started. So the COVID-19 and its impact on environment. So what are the introduction? What would be right in our introduction? That is, the novel coronavirus disease COVID-19 has become the fifth documented pandemic since the 1918 flu pandemic on the late December 2019 in Wuhan city in China. Unusual phenomena was noticed with a link to an animal market that sells poultry, essays and other animals to the public. This event was soon declared as a pandemic by the World Health Organization (WHO) on March 11, 2020. Now, the coronavirus was officially named Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome Coronavirus 2. The short form is this SARS. S stands for severe, A for acute, R stands for respiratory, and S for syndrome. And we all know that COV means coronavirus 2, right? So this particular name was officially given by International Committee on Taxonomy of Virus based on phylogenetic analysis. SARS-CoV-2 is believed to be a spillover of an animal coronavirus and later adopted the ability of human to human transmission. Because the virus is highly contagious, it rapidly spreads and continuously evolves in the human population. Now next is, currently people all over the world have been affected by coronavirus disease 2019. So right now all over the world is affected by COVID-19. As you guys are also the part of our world, you can realize or intimate that this coronavirus is affecting the entire world. So what is written, I have written this, that currently people all over the world have affected by coronavirus disease 2019, right? Now the COVID-19 pandemic has impacted every aspect of human life and global economy. We all know that it is creating a very vast impact in our life and what is happening in our global economy as well. The number of new cases and deaths is increasing at an alarming rate. That means we are having a very large number of death cases due to this particular virus or this pandemic, with no signs of control yet. Even we are not having a control in this particular virus, making the estimates of its economy and other impacts uncertain. However, socially, situations arise that may indirectly affect the environment sector, right? So I hope you have understood up to this. Now we will continue with this. We are not changing the paragraph. Okay, now the next is, the world's government are adapting different levels of interventions. As we all know that we are suffering from a very big epidemic or pandemic in this entire country, but still we are having so the government is trying to just rescue all these parts. So they're adopting some different levels of interventions, and in which lockdown comes, that is including travel restrictions and lockdown to contain the spread of highly contagious virus, right? So this was it for today in this video, as I have discussed only the introduction part. Okay, on my next video I will discuss that what are the benefits of COVID-19 and its impact. Okay, so we will discuss about the benefits. Okay, so if you guys wanted to have that video, then stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. You will get the notification for my next video. Okay, so stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.